Hello children, let us study Standard 7 Physics, Chapter number 4, Light. The image formed by a plane mirror when the object is an extended object. Here you can see a pencil AB is taken, which is kept in front of the plane mirror M dash. Okay, the ray of light travels out in all the direction from the object. Now here let us consider that here two rays coming out from point A and point B. Okay, these rays you can see here, two rays start from point A, it goes, strikes the mirror and it reflects. Here also you can see another ray strike the mirror and it reflects, following the law of reflection. If I draw this normal here, okay, here the angle of incidence will be equal to the angle of reflection. Okay, here also from point B two rays are taken. Okay, we will consider two rays. Here it goes, strikes the mirror and it gets reflected. Here also if I draw the normal, angle of incidence will be, this is the angle of incidence and this is the angle of reflection. So angle of incidence will be equal to the angle of reflection. In all the cases here, whatever rays we are taking, we will draw the normal here, and by following the law of reflection, okay, this ray will be reflected. When these rays are produced backward, here in this way, behind the mirror, okay, here is the image formed, A dash, B dash, okay, and this distance, M, A dash, image distance is equal to the object distance. That means the distance of the image from the mirror will be the same as that of the object from the mirror. Now let us learn about the characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. As I have already said you, the image formed by a plane mirror is of the same size as that of the object. Okay, whatever will be the size of the object, that will be the size of the image. Okay, just children, you must have seen, when you stand in front of the mirror, then the image which will be formed in the mirror, it will be of the same size, isn't it? Same size. Then the image formed by a plane mirror is erect. Okay, the image formed by a plane mirror is erect. The image formed by a plane mirror is as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. Suppose if you are standing 5 meters away from the mirror, then your image will be formed 5 meters behind the mirror. So the distance between the object and the image will be 10 meters. Is that clear? Here you can see, if this is the mirror and if the object is at a distance of 5 meters away from the mirror, then the image which is formed behind the mirror, it is at the same distance of 5 meters. So the distance between the object and the image here becomes 10 meters. If we move the object away from the mirror, the image will be also moved away from the mirror. Okay, whatever distance we are moving, the same distance, whatever distance we are moving the object, the same distance image will also get moved. Then comes the next point. The image formed by the plane mirror is laterally inverted. What do you mean by laterally inverted? Children, lateral inversion, it is a phenomena due to which the right of an object becomes the left of the image and vice versa. Suppose you are catching a rose on your left hand. Okay, so the image which will be formed, okay, in that you will be catching the rose in the right hand. Okay, or if you stand in front of the mirror and if you raise your right hand before the mirror, your image will raise its left hand. Okay, so this property is known as, or this phenomena is known as lateral inversion.